Have you ever looked at an online business and wondered if it was actually worth joining? That's exactly what I asked myself before I joined Exitus Elite. Hi, this is Shavon. In this video, I'm sharing the real reasons why I joined and what stood out to me. One of the biggest reasons I joined is because of the commission structure. You can make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, and $2,000 commissions. What I like is the payments are direct. That means you can get paid through Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, PayPal, Western Union, crypto, and more. That flexibility stood out to me. Another big reason is the company call center. Lots of people struggle with selling. Exitus Elite has a call center that helps explain everything and closes sales. If they close the sale, you still make 80%. For example, if they close a $100 sale, you make $80. That can be helpful for beginners. The third reason is the training. This was important for me. Exitus Elite isn't just about commissions. There are actual training courses inside. Topics include personal development, marketing, lead generation, webinars, business growth. I like that I can learn skills while building. Another thing I like is lifetime access. Once you get the courses, they're yours. You can go back anytime and keep learning. You can use your laptop or computer to get the courses. That makes it valuable long term. I also like the replicated website. It makes promoting easier because your system is already set up. And when someone joins your team, they get the same system. That makes duplication easier. The sixth reason is company longevity. Exitus Elite has been around since 2014. That's over 10 years. In online business, that matters. And lots of companies don't last. The fact they've been around this long gave me confidence. These are the reasons I joined Exitus Elite. For me, it's the combination of training, commissions, support, and long-term stability. Everyone has different goals, but these are the things that stood out to me. If you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, I'll leave my link in the description and pinned comments below. Take a look and see if it fits your goals. Also, check out my next video where I show you inside the Exitus Elite system. I will leave the link to this video in the description and other Exitus Elite related videos too. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.